Hi everyone, how is it going? I got this spooky skull planter. There are two of them, one's green and one orange. And can you guess what I'm going to put in there? I know the Halloween is over, but what a better way than to plant a couple of brain cactus in the skull pot. I think it's a great combination. What do you think? So I'll show you this. This is called Mammillaria elongata, crested. So there are two of them. Great plant. I love this one. I got a few. And I was looking for this skull pot online, and every site has had it out of stock. So I went to the local $2 shop and they had a couple, so I grabbed it. Let me tell you, it wasn't $2. It cost me $14. I think it was worth it. But the plant itself was $7 each. So double the price for the pot. But it's well worth it, in my opinion. Anyway, I'll show you what I have going on here. So I got two pots, two plants, got some soil, got my gloves over there, and this is just the washed river sand. I'm going to use it as a topper, and my tools. And this one is like a mesh tape. I'll put it at the bottom of the pot so the soil doesn't escape. You don't have to do it, but it's just my preference. I like to do it. Let's get started. I'm using my normal or the usual potting mix, which is a succulent and cacti mix plus perlite and some gritty mix. So it's a well draining soil. And just shimmy the pot so there are no air pockets. Alright. Now I have to make a decision as to which one I want to put in the green one. Anyway, I'll go with the smaller one. And now time for the top dressing. One done, one more to go. So moving on to the second one. The same process, mesh tape and soil. There you go. There's the final products. Both of them potted up in those beautiful sculpt pots. Very happy. There you go. Look at that. It sits nicely. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.